Hey folks, Technivorous here. Now recently you've probably heard me talking about Bitcoin faucets. Today's video is going to be all about faucets. I have 5 individual faucets for you to get a little bit of Bitcoin for free. So we're going to run through these sites. First we're going to talk about the one that's been sponsoring our videos lately, and that is freebitco.in. Now you'll find a link to this faucet down below. It is a referral link, so definitely please use that. It helps me out. And I will show you exactly how this works here. So all you need is an email address. You can sign up. It doesn't ask for a lot of personal information or anything like that. The nice thing about this is it's super simple. So there is a CAPTCHA. All you got to do is click I am human. If you're doing this on mobile, it might ask you to prove by selecting certain pictures, but super easy. It takes a couple seconds. And there you go. I got 5 sats from my roll, which puts me up to 7 sats total at the moment, but I do have a bunch of stuff on the line here. We are betting on a few games, which is the other nice thing I like about this site. So obviously I have the 2 NFL games going on today. This is Lions, Bucks, and Chiefs and Bills. I am taking the Bucks and the Chiefs. They're both underdogs according to the odds, so they should have pretty decent payouts. I'm pretty sure that the Chiefs are going to win myself, but that remains to be seen. So that is freebitco.in. Definitely check this one out. It is one of my favorites. It is one of the lower earning ones, but you can use it every hour, and you can leave it open on your desktop and make it give you a little noise when the timer runs out. So you can see I got an hour and 8 seconds left here, or 59 minutes 8 seconds. The other one we're going to go to is cointiply. Now this one's pretty fun too. It uses coins instead of actual bitcoins, and the value of the bitcoins changes with the price of Bitcoin, but the coin value pretty much stays the same versus a dollar. So as you can see, 5,600 coins would be 56 cents. They're actually really easy to earn. You can play games, stuff like that. I do this one on my phone a lot, but the faucet here is really cool too. So we'll roll this guy. I like the recaptures better because there's a lot less work. Alright, so we won 29 coins. Add that to our total, and our total at the moment is 95, and we can actually multiply these by playing this handy little game here. Now you won't have access to this right away. You do have to make a couple of withdrawals, and not withdrawals, but a couple rolls of the faucet and get some points before it'll let you use this. But this is a pretty fun little game for multiplying. We're gonna alright, come on. Alright, 84, I'll take that. Wow, not going good. So sometimes I do really well, sometimes I don't. Man, I'm hitting them all. I've gotten this up to 160,000 coins before. Then I take my withdrawals right over to free Bitcoin and bet it on the football games, European and American. The next one we're going to check out is bitcoinker. This one's cool because you can check this one every 15 minutes, I believe, or 5 minutes. But it's a lot more often. Here we go. You can claim up to 120 times per 24 hours. I'm going to close this so it's not making noise. Up and no VPNs, yada yada, all that. So I'm going to hit claim Bitcoin here, and it'll say that 5 Satoshi were accumulated in your address. Now it doesn't actually send that until you have accumulated a certain amount. Yeah, for addresses over 20,000, but it actually adds up really quickly. I just signed up for this one, and we can actually check my address balance there, and it'll tell us how much is saved up for that address. So at the moment, 127 bitcoins in unpaid. So it adds up pretty quickly. It'll take a week or two to get up there. It might not be till next month that one pays out. So let's check out the next one. This one is new to me. This is duckdice, and this one is a faucet as well, and they have some games that you can play. So this one I haven't played too much. I literally just found this today while I was looking for the next one I'm going to show you. So definitely worth a shot checking out the faucet. Mine is locked at the moment because they have this rake back thing where when you bet coins, it automatically gives you coins back. So that's pretty awesome too. And you can turn that on and turn the faucet off or you can turn the faucet on and leave that off. So pretty cool. That's duckdice. Cool games over here. Some really fun stuff to check out. And they also have betting as well, so definitely worth taking a look at. The last one we're going to take a look at today is one of my other favorites. Now you can see that there is not a lot going on here. This is going to be a bunch of different cryptos. Okay, they have Tether, Bitcoin, ETH, a couple others, US dollar coin, Doge. Text is their personal coin, and actually when you sign up you get 20 of those right away. You make your first bet, you get another 20, and you can convert those into Bitcoin. So let's check out why I like this so much. They have this crash game on here that I find really fun, and we're gonna go ahead and join the next round. Actually, we're gonna go a little higher here. Maybe it's freezing me out. Alright, so now it's going to climb until $10. Ooh, it crashed right away. Of course. Let's switch over to text. And we'll just bet a bunch. I'm just playing with fake money here. This. Alright, so I bet 8. Cashed out, got 12.56. Luckily I cashed out just in time. Let's do one more. So this is probably my favorite crypto game to play on here, and I've never deposited money, but I don't have a balance either because I constantly play this game and end up losing my money. But you know, that's how gambling works. So take that with a grain of salt. I highly recommend you spin the faucets and don't play the games, but the games are so much fun, you kind of got to check them out. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. All the links down below are referral links. Make sure that you are using them if at all possible. I would really appreciate it. It helps the channel out quite a bit. Might not seem like much, but generally with these sites, the way the referrals work is you roll and you get the full amount for your roll, and then I get half of that amount as well. So it doesn't take anything away from you, helps me out, and definitely should help boost the income of the channel if I can get a few people to sign up for these. So please, please, please check it out. You won't be sorry, and it's free money, so what have you got to lose? That's going to be it for this one, guys. Technivorous out.